The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Literacy rate is given in percentage. 45 to 55% literacy rate found in 3 cities. 55 to 65% literacy rate are present in 10 cities. In that way, observation was taken. Now we have to find the mean literacy rate. So here the literacy rate is given in intervals. First we have to check whether it is continuous. Here the upper limit and the next lower limit are the same. In all the intervals it is the same. Upper limit of the previous one and lower limit of the current one are the same. So therefore the given intervals are continuous. So we can proceed class mark directly. Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So 55 plus 45 by 2, that is 50. 65 plus 55 is 120. 120 by 2 is 60. So in that way we have to calculate class mark. See the numbers. 3 into 50, 150. 10 into 60, 600. So we can multiply directly phi and xi. We can proceed this problem with direct method. Now I have seen these numbers are little bit larger and last digit is 0. So I can reduce this xi into smaller. So I choose the assumed mean here. Assumed mean means middlemost value in xi. Next we have to calculate di. Di is xi minus a, that is assumed mean. Now we found assumed mean. So xi minus a we have to calculate. Xi is here, a is here. So 50 minus 70 is minus 20. 60 minus 70 is minus 10. 70 minus 70 0. 80 minus 70 10. 90 minus 70 20. So di is here. Here also we can stop with di. Fi and di. We can multiply here also. And we can proceed with fi and di by assumed mean method. Now I could see the di have a common divisor, that is 10. All the numbers are divisible by 10. So I can proceed with the third method. So this problem can be solved by all 3 methods. All 3 methods are easy. I have done this problem by step deviation method. If you have hope, you can solve by direct method. To make the problem easier, I have gone through the second method and I have solved with the last method, that is step deviation method. So see the class size. 55 minus 45 is 10. 65 minus 55 is 10. So the class size is same, 10. And common divisor of di also 10. So our class size, that is height, is 10. So xi minus a by height is ui. Xi minus a is here. So we have calculated this one. So we have to this di by 10, that is by height. Minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Minus 10 by 10 is minus 1. So in that way I have calculated ui. Finally, I have calculated fi and ui. 3 minus 2 minus 6. 10 minus 1. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 10 into minus 1 10. And that way I have calculated fi ui and added everything. Sigma fi ui equal to minus 2. So I have solved. Till then we have processed by step deviation method. So for finding the mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h is the formula. Already we have processed assumed mean is 70 and class size h is 10. We have substituted all those values in the formula and found the mean literacy rate. Therefore, the mean literacy rate is 69.43%. Hope you understand. Thank you.